If you want to create a customized email address with Bluehost, this guide will walk you through the full process step by step. A custom email address like info@yourdomain.com looks far more professional than a personal email, and it's a great way to build trust for your business, brand, or website. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to set it up inside Bluehost, and I'll also point out what to do if Bluehost asks you to choose Mailbox storage. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. Let's get started. First, log into your Bluehost account. Once you're inside the dashboard, take a look at the left-hand menu and click Hosting. This is where Bluehost keeps the tools for managing your website and email services. After that, find and click cPanel Email. This section is specifically for setting up and managing email accounts connected to your domain. Now, inside the cPanel email area, click Email Accounts. This will open the page where you can create new custom mailboxes for your domain. On the next screen, click Continue, and then click Create. This begins the email setup process. At this point, you'll see a field labeled Email. Here, type the name you want for your new address. For example, you could type info, support, hello, or anything else that fits your business. This is the part before the @ symbol, so choose something that makes sense for how you want to use the email account. Next, choose your domain from the drop-down menu. This is what connects the email name to your website domain. Once selected, your address will look something like info@yourdomain.com. That's the customized email address people will use to contact you. After that, enter a strong password for the account. Make sure it's something secure and easy for you to save in a password manager. If Bluehost asks you to set Mailbox storage, choose the option that works best for your needs. If you're just getting started, the default setting is usually fine, but you can adjust it depending on how much email you expect to receive. When everything looks correct, click Create. Bluehost will now generate your custom email account. Once the process finishes, your customized email address is ready to use. If you want to open the mailbox, just go back to Hosting, then cPanel Email, and then Email Accounts. From there, you should be able to access and manage your new email inbox. You can also use this area later if you ever want to create more email addresses for different team members or departments. And that's it. You've successfully created a customized email address with Bluehost. This is one of the easiest ways to make your website look more professional and keep your communication organized. If you found this helpful, please give the video a like and subscribe so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.